Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Coal Miner Safety Using Arduino with Zigbee and GSM with Multi-Sensor ADAS Detection with Emergency Alert. So we are getting the alerts like over temperature, over humidity, methane gas alert, carbon monoxide alert, vibration tilt alert. So let us coming into the block diagram. Power supply, 5 volts power supply module, Zigbee transmitter module, Zigbee receiver module connected to the USB to UART module, and PC hyper terminal flash magic software. So here Zigbee module is connected to the USB to UART and connected to the flash magic software, and we are monitoring the temperature, humidity, gas, methane gas, carbon monoxide, and vibration alert. So Zigbee GSM SIM 900A RxTX for SMS alert, Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers, and one alarm, L293D driver IC, and 300 RPM motor. It's a elevator monitor type. Okay, so D300 RPM and L293D driver IC and battery. DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, methane gas sensor, MQ4 methane gas sensor, MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor, SW420 vibration tilt sensor. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Okay, let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using connected to the GSM module, GSM SIM 900A, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. So here we are using Idea SIM card. Slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, slowly, and then lock the SIM card. Press down, unlock the SIM card. So upside is the lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900A. So 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 controller AC board, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. DHT11 temperature humidity sensor connected to the 7th pin, MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor connected to the A1, MQ4 methane gas sensor connected to the A0, SW420 vibration tilt sensor connected to the A2, alarm connected to the 6th pin, Zigbee transmitter module connected to the 3 and 2 external serial communication, and here that cable. Okay, so here L293D driver IC and 300 RPM motor and elevator type. Okay, and Zigbee connected to the module. Power on, and here also power on. Smart coal miner safety monitoring and controlling, Zigbee GSM. Okay, so now it is sending the data to here. Coal miner safety using Arduino. Okay, T for temperature, H for humidity, M for MQ for methane gas sensor, MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor, and there is no tilt alert. Okay, so now I am going to give first temperature monitoring. So all sensors data coming step by step: temperature, humidity, MQ4, MQ7, vibration. So now I am giving the temperature. This temperature cross 40, alarm on. Okay, elevator on. Okay, and go back to main position after 2 seconds. Okay, MQ4, MQ7. After second count, it will send the data to server. Now it will send the SMS to the particular mobile number. Okay, yeah, sending SMS one for me, other one is the student number. we will receive the SMS alert here. And here also it is updated temperature 45. Yeah, over temperature 45. Sending SMS to, okay, SMS sent. Okay, now I will provide the humidity. Yeah, I given the humidity through my mouth. Okay, humidity 80 above humidity. Okay, it will come second time SMS alert. Now it is sending the SMS alert to the predefined mobile number. SMS send. One for me, other one is the student number. We will get, yeah, over humidity alert. Okay, so now I am going for the gas alert, methane gas alert. Okay, MQ4 methane gas alert. Yeah, methane gas 225. Okay, so here also it is updated. MQ4 methane gas 225, humidity 85, temperature also updated. Sending SMS 1. Sending SMS 2. Okay, yeah, methane gas alert. So now I am giving carbon monoxide alert. Okay, 180 above. Elevator is on for safety of the miners. Okay, so now it is updated 190, 180 and above. Okay, sending SMS 1. We will receive the SMS alert, carbon monoxide alert. So now tilt vibration sensor. Okay, we will check for the vibration equal to no. Now I am going for the vibration. Vibration equal to yes. Vibration equal to yes. Elevator equal to on. Okay, so vibration equal to yes. Now sending the SMS alert. SS sent. Tilt vibration alert. So this is our total block diagram of the project. This is our total hardware kit of the project. So GSM SIM 900A power supply board, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, methane gas sensor, tilt vibration sensor, alarm, Zigbee transmitter module and Zigbee receiver module connected to the USB to UART. And here is the Flash Magic software. Okay, and here we are using 9 volts adapter and on off switch button for the elevator circuit purpose. L293D driver AC. This is extra battery. If battery is charged, we are going for extra battery. 300 RPM motor, and this is the elevator type. Okay, thank you. So vibration sensor, methane gas, carbon monoxide over temperature alert. So we are continuously monitoring the data. T for temperature, H for humidity, MQ4, MQ7 and vibration.